Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today we're going to make a really simple spinach, garlic, tomato pasta. I'm using this linguine. You can be using spaghetti, tagliatelle, penne, anything you want. We're going to really concentrate on the sauce, so get your pasta sorted out straight away. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're using today. By the way, the amounts of everything are going to be below in the text. We've got 1 can of tomatoes there, 1 small onion, spinach, which I'll talk to you about in a moment, chopped garlic, and I'm using oregano or oregano today. We're going to start this off with some olive oil, add some salt and pepper. Now, as you can see, my spinach is cooked. You can use spinach from a can. Not fantastic, but you can. Frozen, pretty good, or fresh. If you're using fresh, make sure you clean it nicely. There's lots of sort of stones and grit and dirt in there. This is frozen, nice and easy, straight from the freezer. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so you're gonna need some sort of skillet or pan or something. I'm using my favorite wok at the moment. I've got in there some olive oil. Now before we get moving, we need to get your pasta ready. I'm gonna be using some linguine today. Any pasta works. Get it ready because we're gonna concentrate on the sauce. So there you go, there's our olive oil. We're gonna drop in our garlic and our onion. And we're going to go on a medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. Fantastic. I'm now going to get in some salt, some black pepper, our dried herb of choice. I'm using oregano, and then we're going to drop in our spinach. About 4 minutes, frying away here. Keep it moving. Want to get some lovely garlic and onions blended in with that spinach. Fabulous. Okay, we're now going to add our tomatoes. Now my tomatoes were whole. I've just crushed them with my hand, roughly. In it goes. Going to turn the heat down now. Not to a simmer, but above a simmer. I'm going to let this go for about 6 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. If you wanted, you could drop in a little bit of white or red wine. I'm keeping it really nice and simple today. Okay, that's great. Those tomatoes have cooked out really nicely. I'm going to put the heat up now. I'm going to add my pasta. In that goes. We're going to work this in. I like to use 2 spoons to do this. We're going to work this in for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then it's ready to serve. And there you go, done. Super easy, super tasty. If you wanted some Parmesan cheese on there, I'm keeping it just like this, keeping it vegan today. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.